Where'd Shadow go? Look at that girl. I'm walking on the path by myself, and all of a sudden, Shadow comes running up behind me from the house. She's so cute. Where you going, Shadow Bird? Don't cross that street. You definitely don't know how to cross. Shadow knows what she's doing, but you don't, Bandit. Shadow Bird. Good boy. Stay by me, buddy. Don't follow Bandit or Shadow. You're such a good boy. Yes. Who's my good boy? Let me turn off my speaker. Hold on. I'm zoomed out. Let me tighten the shot a little bit. Or, I don't know. Is tighten? It doesn't make sense. Tighten the shot is zoom in, isn't it? Okay, whatever. Whatever the lingo. Bandit, what's the lingo? It's in my pocket. Uh-oh, someone's coming. Someone's coming, Bandito. Let's follow shit. Oh, I just saw a little, look like a chupacabra dog out here. No fur, and it was like a foot tall. No, not a foot. It was probably like 6 inches tall. Just booking around through the snow by itself. It looked like a hairless dog. Honestly, I'm not making this up. Look at here's Shadow's path. Let's find her, Bandit. Where'd she go? Where'd she go, Bandit? Where'd Shadow go? Where'd that guy go? Oh, he's way down there. What? You said something? Oh. There she is. There's my wheeze. Where you going, Shadow? I see you. I see you. Oh, jeez. You can't climb my jacket, you weasel. You want me to pick you up? Okay. Here. Oh, here, I'll pick you up. Let me put this down. You're such a good boy. Oh, yeah. You guys are going on YouTube. Especially you, Shadowbird. With your crazy snow antics. I love when she does the sideways hop. Uh-oh. He's gonna escape up a tree. Where's she going? I don't even see her. Oh, she's halfway up. She's right there. Shadow's a better climber than you, Chub. Chubby Wumba. You need to lose some of those pounds. You big fatty. Come here. Oh, good boy. She goes again up the tree. She's having a good old time out here. Man, the focus. Motorola 2022 5G. It looks like it's a good camera, but the focus kind of sucks on when I zoom in, which I keep getting the vernacular wrong. What do you think, Shadow? I mean, it's a good phone, I think. When you turn it on, it goes, "Hello, Moto. Hello, Moto." I mean, it has slow motion. It's got night camera shots, which do brighten up the shot. It's got, hand signal shot, time elapse. I guess it's good. I mean, you can't expect too much out of smartphones' cameras when you zoom. See, it gets all blurry. You should know how to focus. Back it up a little bit. Shadow blends right in, even in the snow. Alright, I'm going to cut this video so it doesn't get too long. I want people to watch it. So do something. There you go. Alright.